اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
One meaning of guidance is to gently and compassionately show someone the right path. As Allah mentioned when addressing Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and indeed, you guide to a straight path. This kind of guidance can come from Allah, His Messenger, or other people. The second meaning of guidance is to grant the ability to walk on the right path, a choice exclusively and only in the hands of Allah. That is, Allah addressed His Messenger, saying, "Indeed, you do not guide whom you like, but Allah guides whom He wills." Surely, true guidance comes only from Allah, and He grants it to whomever He chooses. Humans should pray to Allah at every moment and in every task, asking, "O Allah, grant us the knowledge of the right path and the ability to walk on it." The term straight path refers to Islam, as it is the clear, pure, and straight path leading to Allah and ultimately to paradise.